As a site builder, there are a few places you can compromise the security of your site with improper configuration. The first we've already talked about, which is giving untrusted users access to forms that create content or that send out emails. We've talked about ways to protect against spam. The main villain in those cases are spam bots, and we've done what we can to protect against them using spam detection tools like Malum and spam deterrence like CAPTCHA and Honeypot. A second area we can inadvertently open up to attack is by accidentally giving untrusted users powerful permissions. If we go to the permissions page, you can see that the most powerful permissions have a warning under them. They say, warning, give to trusted roles only. This permission has security implications. As you're configuring permissions for user roles, you may accidentally check a wrong box, or you might be experimenting with permissions to see what they allow a user to do and forget to roll those back. So one thing we should do, especially before we go live, is check to make sure the permissions are the way we want them to be. And you can just go down this list and look at the checkboxes checked for each of the user roles and make sure they're lined up properly. But another automated check you can do is through a module called the Security Review module. This module will also check multiple other points where there might be security implications. Let's install that. Okay, so we're going to go to the project/security review page. Right now, there's only a development version of the Drupal 8 module. Hopefully, by the time you watch this, there will be a stable release. Let's copy a link to the tarball and go back to our site and install new module. We'll paste in the URL and click install. Now let's enable the module. We'll do a search for security and enable security review. I noticed that at the time of this recording that the security review pages don't show up in the menus, so let's flush the caches to pull them in.